Mi nombre es José Texidor y esta es la bicicleta que uso para ir al trabajo.
I'm from San Juan, Puerto Rico. I am the 2004 single speed 24-hour champion. I'm a purchaser and international sales, South America, Central America, Puerto Rico. Mainly I ride mountain bikes, road bikes, and I bike commute to work. We're gonna be talking about my Soma double cross commuter. It's built tough, it's really nice to ride and it's very durable. I got 3 years of year-round bike commuting. The Sport Tourer saddle, it's very comfy, it still looks racy. It has a good balance between softness and shape. I have a full Campy Veloce 10-speed. It's got Avid brakes, Light Motion lights, FSA cockpit. The SKS fenders come in handy in the 4 days we get of rain here. The rack is a Super Tourist with a trunk bag from Topeak. The Michelin Pilot tires, I'm using the Sport. I think I had maybe one flat in maybe 2 years now. I track my commuting with a Garmin 800 and it's an easy way to keep track of all my commuting. That way I don't have to write it down. I'm Jose Texidor and this is Holy Rides.